Where is the 200? What is going on here? 200. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Holy shit. Wow. That's an eye opener. 200 period daily moving average is all the way down at 32,000. Fuck me. And you guys don't think there's any risk in this market right now? Holy moly. That is one risky market. Holy moly. I thought it was interesting. And actually, my trading partner identified this earlier today. So if you did a measured move off of this low up to this high, sort of A to B, right? We can probably draw this A to B and then C to D like so. There is that bullish bot setup working. There's 100% A, B, C, D area. Flash moon resistance zone. Interesting how we're still in this massive upwardly pointing channel. This huge channel here. And the midpoint of the channel is that dotted line. Also, too, it looks like we've got some 2.618s, 4.669s. Actually, I do like this. Notice 2.618 consolidation, breakout, 4.669 your next objective up top here. So actually, I kind of like that as an ultimate objective. And this bot setup, this is now looking at the daily chart. So this bot setup, it's had the move stop to scratch level hit. So if this thing does work its way all the way back down to this level, or you can see where the moving averages are, you can see where the short-term trend line is. That's not even really much of one. That's like a 4-hour trend line maybe. But this longer time frame trend line, that's probably a little bit better one to use. So support. If we do melt back down here, I could very easily see us, candle body lows for trade location and see 4-hour candle body lows for trade location. You can see I've already identified it before. So if we did have a pullback in earnest here, I could very easily see us come back against this trend line, against these candle body lows, and I guess against this moving average. It looks like we're missing a moving average on here. Where is the 200? What is going on here? 200. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Holy shit. Wow. That's an eye opener. 200 period daily moving average is all the way down at 32,000. Fuck me. And you guys don't think there's any risk in this market right now? Holy moly. That is one risky market. Holy moly. So I guess the way I would look at this is, this is the same thing as the link, and it's the same thing as Matic. Those charts identical. Again, this is off that daily time frame. I'd almost be scared to ask where the 200 period moving average is on this thing. Let's see where it is. Might not have enough data to show us, but let's see. Wow, yeah. So there's the 200 period moving average. This guy down here at $9.50 right now, sitting at $15. There's a lot of risk in this market, guys. A lot of risk. Very, very risky market. So just be aware of that. Now, we haven't broken down yet, and probably, like a good analogy, like I did with, it was the total market cap one, right? And I bet the total market cap here also, look at the 200 period moving average. Holy crap, is this shit risky? There's a lot of risk in this market. I'll tell you that much by crackers. Now we're getting a shooting star here too. A bunch of potential divergences, only a couple confirmed, and they're off of the money flow. If anything, I like this kind of thinking too, because usually, remember we said volume speaks volumes. Volume usually leads, but you might find that, price calms down, goes sideways, and then new buyers come back in and they bust these volume divs. But interesting how that it hasn't turned confirmed yet. A lot of potentials. And, based on things like 200 period moving average, there's a lot of risk in this market. That's for sure. Thank you.